Hi, in this tutorial I'm going to show you how to install custom fonts in LibreOffice Writer. So first you need to open a link that I included in the description of this video, and after that you need to download font that you want to use. For example, I downloaded from their Super Crown font. It is on zip format, so we need to click double time on it, and then we need to open file with TTF extension. So I open it. And then this window should be successfully displayed. If we want to install this font on our PC, we need to click on Install button. After that, this font should be successfully installed in system. So now we can close this window and we can open LibreOffice Writer. Okay, so now I have created a new document in LibreOffice Writer. If I want to select the font that I have already installed, I need to go to this one icon with font names. I click on the arrow and I need to scroll down, and how you see, the font is available here now, so it has been successfully installed and we can use it in LibreOffice Writer. So I select the font and I'm going to type here something, for example simple text, and how you see, it really works. So if I helped you to use it, remember to like this video and subscribe my channel, and please let me know in the comment if it's a software problem.